Hello boys and girls, today for reading we're going to be reading How to Catch an Elf, and then we're going to fill out a little elf report and see what our elf Jingle is up to today. It's Christmas Eve, hip hip hooray, yes Santa's coming round. He's bringing toys to girls and boys in every house in town. Some kids have tried to catch him, but Santa's fast, you see. So they set their eyes on a smaller prize, and now they're after me. I'm not my friend upon a shelf who comes each year and sits. No, I've got style and I've got grace. I'm the elf that never quits. Now Santa's ready, time to go. I'm sure your traps are scary. I'll do my best to dodge them all and leave you feeling merry. In I go to Emma's house to make sure all is clear. A tinsel net? Oh, that's just fun. I won't get caught in there. Jaden's trap cannot be missed. I think it's double-sided. He's got his spot on my naughty list. You can bet that's been decided. Another house is filled with treats. These kids are getting smarter. I can't resist the candy canes. My job is getting harder. Santa slowly lowers me into a dangerous room. If I touch down, he won't just frown. There'll be a bonbon boom. Your Christmas maze is all laid out. My work's no longer cushy. I safely brought you all your gifts, but hey, you zapped my tushy. And now my radar's perking up. This next one's quite a chore. We don't know yet what lies ahead in this family grocery store. We run inside and get caught up in an avalanche of food. We've seen all kinds of traps before, but not this magnitude. The dinner cannon burps and spits and shoots out ham and gravy, and then it follows with dessert. Please, Santa, will you save me? We tumble down the waterfall above the eggnog river, but Santa and I are an awesome team. Together we deliver. And now it's time for us to leave. Our night is nearly done. You tried your best this Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas, everyone. The end. All right, we're going to fill out a little report on our elf. So you need to get this page out of your packet, and then I'll get the picture pulled up that Jingle sent me today. Let's see what Jingle is up to. Where is Jingle in our classroom today? Can you see him there? He's on our flag over there by the calendar. He's up there on the flagpole hanging out, keeping an eye on things, watching me while I'm meeting with you guys. So we're going to write about Jingle in our morning report. It says today's date is, it is Tuesday. The month is December. It's going to start with a capital letter D, E, C, E, M, B, E, R. It's the 15th. So we're going to write a 15. And the year is 2020. So today's date is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. I'll give you a minute to get that copied. Next it says, our elf is, where was Jingle today? Jingle is on the flag. So that's what we're going to write. We're going to write, our elf is on, O-N, the, T-H-E, flag, F-L-A-G. Right. So that's our elf on the shelf report for today. And down here you can draw a picture of Jingle on the flag, and you can color this little elf and color your picture. And we'll have to see what Jingle is up to tomorrow.